Are you also wondering how to properly shut down your Windows computer using different methods? Then make sure to complete this video as we would show you exactly how to do those things. So first up, you should open Command Prompt into an admin. Type in the following command, then this command will shut down your computer within a minute of the command being issued. However, if you want to shut down your computers immediately, type in the following, then press enter. Now to shut down your computer with a set of number of seconds or minutes from the current time, type in the following, where this should be replaced the number of seconds, like for an example, 06 for 6 seconds, 60 for a minute, or 120 for 2 minutes, and etc. Once done, you have to press enter. Now doing so will run the command prompt and your computer will begin shutting down. Next, you can also simply use the power menu. You can just open Start menu, click the power icon, then choose Shutdown. Lastly, you may also use the keyboard shortcut. Just press the Ctrl, Alt, and Delete key altogether, choose the power icon, then once on the screen, you can now select Shutdown. And those are the different ways on how to properly shut down your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.